everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have an unboxing. So I'm hoping I know what this is. If so, I will list on the screen the dates and times and all of that, but we will see first and then I'll tell you. Because if it is what I think it is, it's taken a long time to get here. So here is the container. I do think it is what it is. Considering it came from India, it's in pretty good shape. It took, I want to say, 4 to 6 weeks to get to me. This company, okay, yes, it is. So this is from Victoria's Moon. They came to me and they said, we have a new product. Our new product is, well, Victoria's Moon, I've done one of them before. I have a review of it. Go check it out. However, they contacted me and said, hey, we are doing partials and we want you to check it out for us. Would you be interested? And I said, sure. And I had gone back and forth with them over their other product and some changes. And so then they sent it and they told me, hey, you know what? It actually came straight from the Indian factory. So it's not a partial, it's a full drill. So I think a partial is on its way because they want me to compare the full drill with the partial. So this is a Victoria's Moon. I have a purple version of this, but now this is a clear one. These are wax pens. I really want to try this side down here. I'm not going to open it in case I want to do this as a giveaway. Well, let me try. This looks like it needs a little help. Okay. So this side down here takes a little bit of wax in it, and I want to try it and see how it does. I heard it works actually really well. So I have a purple one and now I have a clear one. So one of them will probably be a giveaway because I don't need more than one. Okay. Here is their inventory list. This has been updated since the last time that I worked with them. There was not a list last time, so that is very awesome to have. So I can make, as you can see here, I put them through my sticker maker and put them on the containers that I use. These are round. The other one I had was a square, so that'll be nice to be able to compare round to square. And it has 36 colors. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the toolkit that you get. You get a pair of tweezers, which is really nice. You get a single placer, and this looks like a 9-placer. You get a white tray, a piece of wax, and then they have a double-sided adhesive in here as well, in case there's a spot you need to fix. Look at these beautiful colors, guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. That's one thing I thought was really nice on their canvases, is that their colors are dead on. My take the first time I went through is how they charted it. I thought they could have charted it a little bit better to produce a better picture, but I had no qualms over how beautiful their colors were. So I'm going to go through and inventory this off camera. I love that it's all kitted up, so I can work right out of the baggies if I desire, or I can put them in containers. They have the number of the color, the DMC, and then how many grams, because it is weighted. So like this is 4.7 grams in here, and this is 1 gram, and so on and so forth. So beautiful colors. Can't wait to inventory. I'll put a note in here if there was an issue. All right, so this is a 40 by 30 or 30 by 40. 36 colors. So right up here, it gives you the canvas code of like the number this is called, the size, and then 36 colors. It has the key over here. And then here's a little thumbnail of what I got. So let's see here. It does have the double-sided adhesive, which is interesting. It's called twin adhesive on here. And a little tip if you're new to diamond painting, it's super sticky, is if it's rolled like this and I'm really concerned I might actually pull it up from the canvas because of how sticky it is. So I just want to be careful I don't cause my own rivers. So when you pull the adhesive covering off, what you're doing is you're separating the paper from the other side of the adhesive, because one side is touching the canvas and the other side is the paper. So when you're removing it for the first time, you're breaking that seal. And sometimes if you pull too hard or it's not pressed down tight enough on the canvas and you're pulling on the paper, you pull the adhesive right off the canvas. And that's what can cause some rivers and some bubbles. It doesn't cause puckers. Puckers are when they don't have the canvas flat enough when they put down the adhesive. So I'm super excited about this painting. Rebecca, if you watch this, I got this for you because it was a treat. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the whole thing. So by me doing that, I flattened my canvas. It's not curling up on me and it's easier to pull back, as you can see. And it's this beautiful colored tree. So I'm so excited. You can see here that the symbols are really clear. They do have the training wheels, or what you would call the dummy circles. So it remains to be seen if the circles are small enough that you can't see the frame or the dummy circle when you put down the drill or the diamond. So we will see. But yeah, so I'm really excited about doing this. I want to thank Victoria Moon. I will be in contact with them to see if there is a partial coming. I do know they said it would be nice if I could compare the two, and then that way you guys could see the difference between a partial and a full. Alrighty, so that is my unboxing, and I can't wait to try and see what goes on. This is my second Victoria's Moon, and I know the first time around they were a brand new company. They were trying new things, and they were working hard to get some updates done, and so we will see if those updates worked. So hope you enjoyed this. I will keep you posted on this review and a post review coming up. So until next time, guys, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.